Okay, so this is the assembled unit here. And we just had a very good question. Once you drill this, this is going to be the outside. Like I say, you can hide a blemish if you got it. So we'll drill the two holes here are drilled for the bungee strap that hold the reservoir on. These other two holes are drilled for these little pegs, and that's what holds the reservoir on the side in place. So the reservoir just goes underneath the little bungee strap, and you can hear it click on there, and that holds everything snug together. Yeah, the little disc, this hole is drilled here, is for the little disc, and that's what holds the final display onto the reel.
Another jig for that hole.
Yes,
Right.
yeah, we have another jig for this little small hole here. This isn't really critical. These are fairly critical. The jig will hold these exactly where they go. Because if these pegs aren't lined up just right, they won't fit the holes on the back of the reservoir. This part is fairly critical, but you can't go wrong with the jig. It makes you do this right. And that is the outside. As far as this little deal here, it can be offset a little. It's not critical. So this is what the final unit would actually look like.